Danke bafethu. Breaking news, iBafana Bafana ikhiphe isquad esizodlala neZambia nge-15 November. And only one player from Kaizer Chiefs bafethu made it to the squad, which is uMduduzi Shabalala uye kuphela. To my surprise, I'm not complaining by the way. Ukuchoose goalkeeper abawu-5. Okay, siyazi ukuthi i-prelim squad akusu-final squad, but you have to recognize abanye abantu abenza kahle. UPeterson is way better than abanye goalkeeper at the moment in terms of ama-goals angawaconsidanga. So siyazi ukuthi obvious number 1 would be Williams, number 2 would be Sipho Cheney, but Ricardo Goss, as much as a good goalkeeper, but consider every game, if almost every game you consider, a few game consider, and then you choose Johnson, and then you choose Ronaldo Lina, goalkeeper naye consistency yakhe, as much as naye Lina good goalkeeper, but bayashintshisana manje lapha noSikhukhune United vimba abanye goalkeeper ama-international goalkeepers bakwamanye amazwe. The best performing goalkeeper in terms of ama-stats akekho selected, but I'm not complaining. Hugo Bros squad sakhe uyodecidayo bafethu. I cannot go against national team coach, but yeah, I'm surprised ukuthi uPeterson akekho naku-prelim squad, but akusu-Peterson kuphela umuntu engifuna ukumbala bafethu. Khona iplayer la uNdlovu waku-Golden Arrows is one of the best performing players ku-PSL as a whole. Even kuma-cup games uyaperforma loya mfana bafethu, but he's not selected. How? I don't know. Thembi Nkosi-Lotshe abantu bakhala ngaye akaselekthwanga naye, but-ke ku-form of his life laphana e-North Africa, you know how difficult it is bafethu ukudlala e-North Africa. uMatthews currently uMamelodi Sundowns wenza kahle in terms of ama-assist nama-goals no-selection. Ziyakhala. Congratulations to uMduduzi Shabalala oselectiwe laphana. Khona omunye uPhuso Dithejana, i-former Kaizer Chiefs DDC star naye uselectiwe. Khona-ke abantu abaselectwe based on ukufavor bafethu. Maningi ama-player angaperform at the moment, but at the same time I can also understand, because if i-squad nje lesi siprepare i-AFCON, because i-AFCON iyeza ngoDecember, so maybe i-final squad sakhe lesi bafethu, or uzobheka abantu abafew. Finally uselecthe uKeleletso Magau, but I mean umselectile just for his sake ukumselect. I don't see him making the final squad because sazokhathwa le squad list, but i-recognition finally uyitholile. Evidence Mahopa again ukhona laphana ku-selection. Yeah, Muremi has been performing fine. Ngiya kuMuremi ngiyivuma. Ashley Cupido lo waku Stellenbosch, I don't know what he brings to the national team ngempela, umuntu ongashaya ama-goal that much this season eteamini yakhe. Mihlali Mayambela is back, azange simbone for some time, is back. uTitus waku-Stellenbosch is back, uReynolds is back from injury yakhe. uFroster naye ukhona back from injury. If uzoba khona uSipho Mbuli selected yet again. And then Ubongo Kuhle Hlongwane, umfana odlala lena United States of America bafethu ubuyile na esquadini. Sibilibili Orlando Pirates, the guy has been quiet, to be fair. He's been quiet, but ukhona esquadini. Patrick Tito Maswanganyi, I don't know ngempela bafethu. Apolice well deserved. Yabona Apolice well deserved. Angifuni ukuqamba manje. Ngekho umuntu odeserve kuba sesquad njengo-Apolice. Uyadeserve umfana. Bathusi Obers, how many games ayidlalile kuMamelodi Sundowns, i-contribution yakhe ingakanani, but at the same time ucoach decision yakhe. uMasindi Nemtajela kusho ukuthi ku-Orlando Pirates waperforma nje waperforma a game or two, so khona kuBafana Bafana, but-ke abanye bakwamanye amathimeli baperforme i-season and a half ukuze baba-recognize. Teboho Mokoena weMamelodi Sundowns ukhona. Ulo Talente Mbatha, he didn't even play the last game. Orlando Pirates uba nenkinga, but siyayazi i-contribution yakhe yasesquadini. Uyaya Sithole noma uSiphephelo Sithole bafethu ukhona, a guy from Portugal, udlala ePortugal umfana. Think akakabi ready ukuthi adlale abuye kuBafana Bafana. Ngiyazi ukuthi he's a good player, has contributed immensely for iBafana Bafana throughout the years, but akakabi ready ukuthi abuye. Ngimbonile imatch, I don't know, there's something wrong. Akusulo Yaya thina esimaziyo esike sambona edlala. I'm not saying he's a bad player, but there's something off about igame yakhe le ayidlalile baze bamkhipha first half. Ngibona khona umuntu abamselectile wakumaZulu, Keegan Allen, what a defender bafowethu, what a superstar defender. Umlungu one-aggression akadlali, well deserved ke lapha. And then umbekezele Mbokazi obvious, ungezani ukhona. Ha, uVuyo Litlapa ukhona. Uyi-left back edlala kuSkhukhune United, powerful left back. For mina is way better than ama-left back amaningi. In fact mangicabanga, I think uBasadeni for mina engingambeka phambili Litlapa bafowethu. Litlapa u-strong and ufuna nama-team wase-Austria kakhulu overseas. Awu-2 amfunayo just iSkhukhune United ngathi besifuna imali eningi, but kukhona umfana naye. uFezile Gcaba, yo what a player bafowethu, what a player. I-defender eline-flair likwazi ukubhitha amanye ama-defender lishaya amagoli, ushaya i-hat-trick umfethu, ushaya i-hat-trick laphana. Ngizothi Khalingo so ushaya i-hat-trick as i-defender, kwayizwa play. How many times? I don't think I've seen it in South African football. Not ngiyibukela igame. Ashaya i-hat-trick i-defender. Hey, uFezile-ke bafowethu akadlali. Well deserved. Awundamane, consistency in terms of igame yakhe, developer to the highest level. Siyazi ukuthi usemusha laphana kubhethe Premiership or ku-professional setup, but yeah, he's a good player, he's comfortable on the ball. But uNkosinathi Sibisi, I don't know why he's selected. Khuliso Mudau are the best right back in the country. The best. Akekho ongayidebate. Debate ayunamanga. And then uMalibonge Khoza, and then uThabang Matuludi, uThabo Muloisane weStellenbosch. uThabang Matuludi udlalela iPolokwane City, and then-ke uSamkelo Kabini ulo udlala eNorway, and then uIme Ocon udlala laphana eGermany. Yiso-ke isquad seBafana Bafana isiphelele, prelim squad. But njengoba ngishilo ukuthi abaningi bazokhathwa laphana, they're not making the final squad overall. But yeah, it's a good squad masibheka laphana bafethu. I don't think I've seen uNkotha ukhona. Yes, nangu uNkotha, ngimkhohlwa. Yeah, ukhona uNkotha. uReal Mofokeng finally akekho, but-ke siyazi ukuthi udila nama-injuries umfethu. Yeah, i-president yama-2000 bafethu, he will be missed laphana kuBafana Bafana squad. Congratulations to the gents, to everyone who selected laphana kuBafana Bafana. Ahambe represent Izwe with pride and give everything that they have inside the field of play and be willing to die for the badge. Yeah, it's incredible when you get these alama selection lawa bafowethu ukuthi national team recognize ukuthi ukhona uyadlala ku-PSL, nempilo yakho-ke iyatshintsha kancane because of you are seen by abantu from all over the world when you play these international games. And then ama-agencies, ama-scouts bayakwazi ukukubheka close more deliver nje wenza kahle. So congratulations to the boys. They have to keep bringing it and winning. Yeah man, it's a good thing to see, to witness abafana bephumelela kancane, baby steps until they get to the top of ibhola lasemhlabeni. Yeah, congratulations to everyone. Thank you bafethu. But Peterson ungitshela ukuthi akekho even ku-top 5 yabo goalkeeper base-South Africa at the moment. Hayi. Thank you bafethu. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-5,000. Hayibo 15,000 subscribers. Thank you.